Hi, my name is Vishal. Let's have a look on this particular tool called Path Eraser tool. So then as the name, it generally erases the path. So what is a path basically? Let's say you have created a shape using a pen tool and then you got something here. And let's say this particular path has color. So what I do is I just go to this path tool. So before that, make sure that you have selected it and then choose the path tool and then just click and drag on the curve and it starts erasing the path there. So just you need to click and drag there, that's it. So if you see the shape has been deselected and it's not working here, make sure that it is selected and then you are erasing it. It got deselected because I just clicked outside the area. Okay, so it's a tool which generally erases a part of the curve. In this video, let's have a look on this tool called join tool. For that, I need to create a path here. So I'm taking the pen tool here and just drawing a shape, which is basically just open. Okay, so I got this shape here. I'm just trying to rotate it. Now let's draw another shape which is very close to this. And then again, I just end up there. So I select both of these particular shapes here and then choose the join tool. Join tool can be found in this shaper tool. Click and hold, and the last tool is join tool. Just click and drag it. Just click and drag it and it just closes the shape here. And you should see it's a simple curve, a closed one. So join tool is basically used to close that edges which are there on the sides, which are open. Basically they are not attached.